Gemini, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for September 2 to 8, 2024. If you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Ayan, so let's see, Gemini. What is coming to you ngayong week na to? Okay. Challenge. Oh, rabbit. Maaaring mata-challenge ka in a good way to, no? Kasi ang challenge is, ito yung mas nagpo-push sa atin to our limits or parang yung mga bagay pa na kaya natin gawin na hindi natin akalain na kaya natin gawin. You know? So I think you're challenging yourself to be a better version of yourself. Na, kaya mo ba to? Yung example, yung income mo, no? Challenge mo yung sarili mo na mas mag-create ng maraming sources of income or challenge mo yung sarili mo na makapag-ipon or challenge mo yung sarili mo when it comes to relationship to become someone na ine-expect nung iyong romantic partner. Okay, you have the 10th house. So specifically for some of you, this is related to your career. Maaring challenge mo yung sarili mo na mas maging competitive sa work, sa career mo. You have the sun here, which is about your vitality, your strength, and Taurus energy, which is stability, no, in your career. So pwedeng challenge yung sarili nyo na maging one of the best sa iyong field, sa iyong career, sa iyong business. Okay. Parang may competition dito, nakikipag-compete kayo sa iba. Actually, okay lang naman yung competition as long as it's a healthy competition. And I also see, no, kasi since pareho silang rabbit, it's like competing with yourself, 'di ba? Yun yung, for me, that's the best competition kasi yung older version of yourself, yun yung gusto mo pang mahigitan. Okay? Unlike nakikipagkompetensya ka sa iba na meron namang ibang journey sa'yo, 'di ba? So, yeah. You also have wisdom, which is yung iyong knowledge, yung iyong skill set. I think mas nagiging mature ka, no? When it comes to understanding about your life. You have the 8th house, moon in Sagittarius. I think yung iba sa inyo, marami na kayong na-realize about yourself na tipong hindi nyo na iisipin kung ano yung iniisip ng ibang tao sa inyo o hindi na kayo magpapa-apekto sa opinion ng ibang tao sa inyo. Some of you naman, meron kayong lakas ng loob ngayon na sumubok ng bagong investment or other sources of income. You also have magic. You can do magic. Yun agad pumasok sa isip ko eh. You can do anything that you desire. Magic. Magic is about your ability to create. Okay? Because that's magic. Na kaya mong mag-create from your knowledge dahil sa alam mo to or you are you are talented in this area. And this is also about your manifestation abilities. You have the 6th house, Neptune in Cancer. Okay, Neptune is the planet of imagination, illusion, creativity. So I think you're going to be more creative. Yung creativity mo connected siya sa emotions mo. And I feel like you are going to incorporate this into your day-to-day life. So maaring yung trabaho mo ngayon or magiging work mo ngayon, yung ipupurso mo, is something na in alignment sa iyong talento, sa galing mo, sa gifts mo. And mas lalo mo siyang in-nurture, aalagaan. Oo. Okay, overall energy ng mga Gemini. The Lovers, you are in your own element. This is about commitment, maaring papasok ka sa isang very serious commitment, agreement. Pwedeng relationship ito, pwedeng trabaho, kontrata. Your challenge is the Five of Swords. Naku. Tingnan nyo tong picture na to, no? Yung illustration. It is the same snake. So, sarili niya tong katawan. Kaya lang, merong mga nakatusok na swords dyan. So, syempre, di ba, yung snake, kapag nakakaranas siya ng pain, o hindi niya alam kung saan nanggagaling yon, nagpapanik siya na hindi niya alam na sarili niya na pala yung kinakagat niya. So, it's like, sometimes, no, hindi tayo aware sa ginagawa natin na minsan akala natin we are doing what's best for us. Pero yun pala yung mas makakasira sa atin, no? Let's say for example, yung mga unhealthy habits. 'Di ba? Akala natin this will bring us, will make us feel relaxed. I'm not calling out yung may mga may mga bisyo-bisyo diyan. So syempre malalaki na kayo, alam niyo na yung ginagawa niyo. But this is just for awareness, no? Kasi I've been through that as well. Na minsan parang ginagawa nating outlet yan na, to release yung ating frustration, anxiety. But instead na nakakatulong yun sa atin, yun rin yung sumisira sa atin, 'di ba? So that is your challenge, na mahanap mo kung saan yung pinanggagalingan talaga ng problema para makawala ka doon. Mm-mm. Your opportunity is the death card. Uy, this is transformation. So Gemini, meron kang opportunity na baguhin yung direction ng buhay mo. Meron ditong endings, meron ding new beginnings. That's what the death card is. So it's not a physical death. This is about your transformation to a brand new you, like a rebirth. Okay? So yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng merong situation na mag-end para merong magsimulang bago. Okay? So pwedeng ang aanuhin nyo dyan, i-let go nyo yung mga unhealthy habits ninyo para sa bagong version of yourself. Your blessing is the Oracle of Cups. I feel like mas papahalagahan mo yung sarili mo, mas mamahalin mo yung sarili mo, mas aalagaan mo yung sarili mo. And makikita mo yung magandang resulta niyan sa'yo. This will attract more blessings sa buhay mo kasi it shows, no? Makikita sa'yo na kayang-kaya mong alagaan yung sarili mo. 'Di ba? Let's say, for example, alam mo kung ano yung makakabuti para sa kalusugan mo. So, pag inalagaan mo yung sarili mo, iiwas ka sa anything na hindi makakabuti at magpo-focus ka dun sa magpapabuti sa kalusugan mo. And then, eventually, it will show sa pangangatawan mo. Makikita nila yan na, uy, ang ganda ng resulta sa'yo ng ginagawa mong pagbabago. So, this will be a blessing to you kasi magbo-boost rin yan ng iyong confidence. Tapos, since you are transforming, may mga bagong opportunities na magbubukas for you. Okay? Sa money, career, finances, see, you have the 9 of Pentacles, which is stability in your finances. Okay? For some of you, makukuha nyo yung career na gusto nyo, yung income na gusto nyo, para maging komportable ang inyong pamumuhay. Or pagdating naman sa pag-handle ng finances nyo, alam nyo, meron na kayong disiplina para i-manage yung iyong kaperahan na ma-invest or maitago, makapag-ipon. For your love life, you have the Oracle of Swords. Some of you are cutting off connections that are no longer serving your highest good. Or maaring meron kang iiwasan na tao sa buhay mo na sa tingin mo, kailangan mong proteksyonan yung sarili mo dito sa tao na to kasi pwedeng itong taong to, meron siyang hindi magandang intention sa'yo. So, you have to protect your energy. Owl site, detach your emotions from situations that you cannot control. Yes. So, anything na hindi mo kontrolado, surrender. Anything that you can control, sa sarili mo, kontrolin mo. Okay? So, that is your reading, Gemini. Thank you so much. Bye.